Hello students, welcome in chapter 10 straight lines. Students, today I continue our 10.3 question number 5. Find the point on x-axis which are distance 4 unit from this given line. Students, here one of the short mistake in your textbook. Here distance given, but you just write down perpendicular distance. Then the question is correct. Consider that's your x-axis and the point is x comma 0 and the line is given perpendicular from that. Here P to perpendicular, a line is this x by 3 y by 4. Definitely you can take LCM, so 4x plus 3y by 12. So 4x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. That's your line L. Now I want to distance given that PM distance 4 units. Means I go to formula. Yes. Perpendicular distance from Px comma 0 to the line 4x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. The distance is a PM distance 4 and formula is a 4x1 plus 3y1 minus 12 by under root 4 square 3 square. And here students you can operate your value x1 y1 is this x1 this y1. So here 4x y1 is 0 and that becomes 16 plus 9. They made 25. It means only 5. So 4x 0 minus 12 by 5. 5 4s are 20. Now modulus remove one of the plus 20 or minus 20. And that you create value of x. So 4x is equal to 20 plus 12, 32, x is 8. Similarly, you can calculate here 4x is equal to 12 minus 20 minus 8 minus 2. Minus 20 plus 12 become minus 8 and divided by 4. So required point on the x-axis is what? Yes, that's your points. Already assume x0. We will write down 8 0 or minus 2 0. And here students, you easily and happily this question is done. Now I go to sixth one. Similarly, in continue sixth. Find the distance between two parallel lines. Find the distance between two our parallel lines. Lines are there first L1 and L2. 15x plus 8y minus 34 and 15x plus 8y plus 31 is equal to 0. Minus 34 and plus 31. So students, first of all you check given line is really parallel. So you just say slope m1 minus a by b. Same here slope m2 minus a by b minus 15 by 8 and both same. That means m1 is equal to m2. So conformly L1 parallel to L2. So perpendicular distance between them c1 minus c2 by under root a square plus b square. Students, here you take c1, that the c2. So what's your C1? Minus 34, minus 31. And A square, B square? 15 and 8. 15 square, 8 square. So minus 5 and 65. By under root, 15 square, 2 to 5, 8, 64. So 65 by 289. That become 17. 17 square. Now easily students, first question is done here. Now we go to second. Similarly, we are going ahead. Distance between two parallel lines. 6th second. L1 Lx plus y plus p, and L2 Lx plus y minus r, and you can create in simple forming two lines form. So I just rearrange Lx plus Ly plus p, Lx plus Ly minus r. Definitely both slope is definitely same. Check here. Slope m1 minus a by b, same as here students. Slope m2 minus a by b, both same. That's why I saying m1 is equal to m2, L1 is equal to L2. I mean parallel. These two lines are, students, you will write down parallel. Formula same. Therefore perpendicular distance between them, C1 minus C2 by under root A square plus A square. Attach the value. C1, these are C1, this is a C2, which have P minus minus R, and A square B square, L square plus L square. So P plus R by 2L square. And students, you just take square root on it. So your answer is P plus R by root 2L. That's my final answer to these questions. Now I going ahead, students. Question number 7. It's also easy sum. Find the equation of parallel line. Yes, this also interesting questions. Find the equation of the line parallel to the line 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0 and passing through the point minus 2 comma 3. Yes, parallel asking, it means students slopes are same, and that related I will take that values. Find the equation of line parallel to given line. It means this is your given line. Consider L, 3x minus 4y plus 2, and that parallel, it means this is my answer, line M, but passing through on it minus 2 comma 3. You know students, parallel means slopes are same, so I taking here slope of L line is M1 minus A by B minus 3 by minus 4, but L parallel to M, that's why slope of M is M2 is equal to M1, because they are parallel condition. Now slope ready, you will write down here, passing through known. So equation of line M, y minus y1, x minus x1. What is the y1? Yes, this is your passing through, x1 y1 3. Slope I have 3 by 4 and x1 is a minus 2. So 4 you take upside, 4y minus 12, here x plus 2. So 4y minus 12, 3x plus 6. Final answer done. Your equation of M is parallel to L. 3x minus 4y plus 6 plus 12. So 3x minus 4y and 12 and 6 18. That's your in simple way answer done, students. Now I continue. Question number 8. Same concept, but now given perpendicular concept. Find the equation of perpendicular line to given having intercept 3. Find equation of the line perpendicular to the line x minus 7y plus 5 is equal to 0 and having x intercept is 3. So does you know what is the meaning for x intercept? Yes, distance travel from origin is 3. On x-axis 3. Students, here given the given line I just draw in simple in your coordinate plane. Consider here y0, x become minus 5, just like here. Now if you take x0, y is 5 by 7, just like here, 0, 5 by 7, and both you join them, that's your line given. But I want to perpendicular to it having x intercept 3. It means students consider here your x intercept 3, here 2, here 1. So that's your perpendicular line. We will derive that. Here perpendicular. This line L consider, here M consider. Very easy. First L slope define. So slope of given line L x minus 7y plus 5 is equal to 0 is m1 minus a by b minus 1 by minus 7, 1 by 7. But L perpendicular to M, I want to perpendicular to given line L. So perpendicular to M, therefore m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. m1 is 1 by 7, m2 same, m2 become minus 7. One more time repeat. I want to equation of line perpendicular to given. So given slope you know just like 1 by 7, here minus 7. This slope is ready. How much? Minus 7. And passing through known 3 0. So required perpendicular line having slope minus 7 and passing through, where passing through? This is your P points 3, 0, because given that x intercept is 3. If you give an x intercept minus 3, then I plot this side. Continue. Y minus y1, mx minus x1. What is the y1? y1 is 0. Slope minus 7 and x1 is a 3. I can calculate easily. So y minus 0 it will be y minus 7x plus 21. So 7x plus y minus 21. 7x plus y minus 21 is equal to 0. Now moving ahead, students, question number 9. Same as find the angle between two lines. Two lines given and we decided angle between them. That also easy. Line L1 and line L2, root 3x plus y is equal to 1, and second x plus root 3y is equal to 1, and find angle between L1 and L2. So students, I just simple both define slopes. Here consider slope m1 minus a by b means minus root 3. Next, slope m2 minus a by b minus 1 by root 3, and that's your drawing L1 line and L2 line. Both angle between them consider alpha, and that degree is a 180 minus alpha. So here alpha is equal to angle between both L1 and L2. So your formula is a tan alpha, m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, and apply respectively both slopes. So does here slope is a known that what is the m1 minus root 3, m2 become minus 1 by root 3, same minus root 3 minus 1 by root 3, that and this cancel, you have to only tan alpha. So minus root 3 plus 1 by root 3 upon 1 plus 1 2. Further calculate minus 3 plus 1 by 2 into root 3, it means minus 2 by 2 into root 3. So you have to tan alpha 1 by root 3, and when tan become 1 by root 3, 30 degree. Correct thinking. Otherwise this answer also true. 180 minus 30, it become 150 degree. Yes, 180 minus 30, it become 150, either 30. Both of you students, correct answer. Now question number 10. Similarly moving in the same way, next one, question 10. The line through passing given, the line THROUGH, yes, line through the point H3 and second 4 1, it means one line passing through that H3 and 4 1. Continue, intersect the line, second line given that 7x minus 9y minus 19 is equal to 0 at right angle, and find value of simple asking that h. Students, here one line coordinate given and one line given. Consider that's your first line, L line, have 2 points already available, passing through it H3, second 4 1. Intersect the second here M line, that's your M, and both of the right angle here given 90 degree. It means both slopes multiply minus 1, and M line I have 7x minus 9y minus 19 is equal to 0. So first I define students slope of line AB, I mean L line, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, and at h y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, 1 minus 3 by 4 minus h, 4 minus h, it gets minus 2 by 4 minus h, that's the slope m1. Similarly students, you going slope of line M, and my M line is a 7x minus 9y minus 19, that is M2 slope, minus a by b minus 7 by minus 9, it is 7 by 9. Now, but our condition is what? L is perpendicular to M, so M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. Correct, no? Both are perpendicular to each other. Given that, intersect at right angle. M1, M2 minus 1. What is the M1? Minus 2 by 4 minus h. M2, 7 by 9 and minus 1. Now calculate. Minus minus gone officially. 7 2s are 14 and 9 with the 4 minus h. So 9 4s are 36 minus 9h. So 9h is equal to 36 minus 14. It become exactly 36 minus 14. 6 minus 4 2 22 by 9. That easily you can derive your answer. Now continue students, question 11. Similarly I going ahead in slowly. So going ahead in the 11th. Prove that the line through the point x1 y1 means one point given and parallel to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is proving that ax minus x1 b y minus y1 is equal to 0. Very easy. Given line already and that parallel to passing through an edge. It means consider that's my required line. Here passing through x1 y1 and here parallel to another line, that's a line L, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So does parallel means slope same. So I just going slope of L line, that already known formula is m1 minus a by b. Now here L is considered M. So now M parallel to L, that's why slope of line M is M2 is equal to M1. They become also minus a by b. That slope is ready. Now students, slope ready, passing through known, so apply in slope point. Therefore equation of parallel line m y minus y1 m x minus x1. So y1 is what? Same x1 y1, nothing change. Slope I have minus a by b, x minus x1. Now you can create multiplication. So by minus by1 minus ax1. So students, you just arrange a and a common. So ax minus ax1, by minus by1. So a common, x minus x1, b common, y minus y1 is equal to 0. And that's your students, easily and happily our proving is done. Now I going question number 12, which is very most IMP numerical in final exam related. Continue. Same as question number 12. But 12 is very big numerical and very most IMP. Question is, two lines passing through the point 2, 3 and intersect each other at degree 60. If slope of one line is slope of one line is 2, then define that equation of other line. Yes, slope of the first line is 2, then find equation of other lines. So first of all we drawing here, that's your y-axis, here x-axis, and students 2, 3, just like you are here, point P 2, 3. There are two types of line passing through on it, one of the here, secondly that, and both angle between them given 60 degree. Here I assume that one of the slope is m1, second is m2. So here slope of L1 line is m1 is 2. So this is your L1 line, that is your L2. Consider just. And slope of L2 line is m2. Slope of the first line is 2 I taking, because already given. Now angle between alpha is what? Angle between both L1 and L2. Now you will start chain alpha formula, m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, and you put down respectively both values. Tan alpha is here given that how much? It is 60 degree. So I attach here tan 60. M1 is a 2, m2 1 plus 2 m2. Now students, tan 60 is known you. It is how much? Root 3. Tan 30 known 1 by root 3, and here 2 minus m2 1 plus 2 m2, and I just derive here two partitions, one positive, one negative. So root 3 is equal to 2 minus m2 1 plus 2 m2, or another R, minus root 3 is equal to 2 minus m2 1 plus 2 m2, and one by one students I calculate first this one, second with that one, and derive our equation of line passing through on it 2, 3. So first I take only this case, then after I explain second one. So there are two unique answers are available to related our questions. So here first taking for root 3 is equal to 2 minus m2 1 plus 2 m2, root 3 plus cross multiply on it, 2 root 3 m2 is equal to 2 minus m2. So that and this I joint, 2 root 3 m2 plus 1 m2, 2 minus root 3, m2 common, 2 root 3 plus 1, and here 2 minus root 3. So what is the m2? 2 minus root 3 upon 2 root 3 plus 1. That is the slope of the first line, m2. Now students, this slope, but passing through I know that how much? 2, 3. So equation of line y minus y1 m x minus x1. y1 is a 2, 3 means 3. Slope that 2 minus root 3 by 2 root 3 plus 1, and x1 is what? 2. Now you can multiply on it. This also multiply on it. So y with the, first I write down 2 root 3 plus 1 with y minus 2 3 times 2 root 3 plus 1. Here also same, 2 minus root 3 with x minus 2 times 2 minus root 3, and now you can create your solutions. 2 root 3 plus 1 into y minus 6 root 3 minus 3, and is equal to same as 2 minus root 3x minus 4 plus 2 root 3. Now you can students arrange your answer according to standard form ax, by and c. So x forms as it is I write down here 2 minus root 3x, y forming take right side 2 root 3 plus 1y, and that function take right to left, minus 6 root 3 minus 3 plus 4 minus 2 root 3. Finally you did 2 minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 1y is equal to, here students, total you getting minus 8 root 3 and plus 1. That's my first answer coming. I utilize only this case. Now I utilization to second case and derive another parts of this answer. Passing through 2, 3 same. So now I will take case number 2. So for now m2 is again you can taking minus root 3, 2 minus m2 upon 1 plus 2m2. Now you will students make the cross multiply. So here I multiply upper side minus root 3 minus 2 root 3 m2 2 minus m2. Now m2 and m2 we will join. So minus root 3 minus 2, here 2 root 3 m2 minus m2. So students, my answer is minus common root 3 plus 2. Here 2 root 3 minus 1 m2. So what is the m2 finally? Yes, divide that. Minus root 3 plus 2 by 2 root 3 minus 1. I just students, this minus take denominator. So root 3 plus 2 upon 2 root 3 minus 1. That's your different slope according to first and the second are different. Now the slopes passing through on it same. Students, 2, 3. And my equation of line derived. Therefore, equation of line y minus y1 m x minus x1. Students, x1 y1 is same according to previous. I just utilization 3 and 2. Here 3 and here 2. Yes, 2 and 3 same passing through on it. And slope is a root 3 plus 2 by 2 root 3 minus 1. Now you can take multiply. So students, my answer is y 2 root 3 minus 1 minus 3 2 root 3 minus 1 and is equal to root 3 plus 2 with x minus 2 root 3 plus 2. Now students, you can multiply easily way. So my first answer is y 2 root 3 minus 1 minus 6 root 3 plus 3, and here root 3 plus 2 into x minus 2 root 3 minus 4. Now students, this x and y we will attach them. So my answer is root 3 plus 2x minus 2 root 3y minus 1y, and x and x cancel here, only simple arrangement. Here students, I will write down minus 6 root 3 plus 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 4, and here are plus 3 plus 4. You will cover to simple answer to another, and here students you will get simple answer. Students, here by mistakes I not written here minus. m2 is become minus, so divide that. So here minus I multiply that, same as here minus 2 root 3 minus 1. So here same as you can write down minus, and here minus minus students plus, that is the plus, and here also plus. So your answer is minus 6 minus root 3 plus 3, here minus 2 root 3, and here students minus 4. Now your answer is true. Root 3 plus 2x, 2 root 3 minus 1y, and this side students you will get minus 8 root 3 minus 1 minus common 8 root 3 plus 1, and here root 3x plus 2, 2 root 3 minus 1 with y, and here students your answer is done happily for the different two lines coming, this first, that second. Yes students, here our this part I stop here, and further explanation same students I going in the next parts. Bye bye.